The climate experience in an urban area is very different to the one experienced in a rural area. The differences lie in the temperature, rainfall, wind speed, and the levels of pollution. Large urban areas have a higher average temperature. There is more fog and rainfall. They generally have lower wind speeds, and the levels of pollution in our cities is much higher than what is experienced in a rural area. There are a number of factors that contribute to the city having a higher temperature than the surrounding rural area. Artificial surfaces within the city center absorb heat. Artificial sources of heat that are present in the city contribute to higher temperatures. Drains in the city carry away water. High-rise buildings within the CBD have the ability to absorb heat, but to also reflect the heat. Added levels of pollution within the city serves to trap the heat within the city. And fuel combustion, particularly from vehicles, contributes to higher temperatures being experienced in the city center. So why the higher levels of rainfall within the city? In grade 10, you were taught that hygroscopic particles that form part of the atmosphere have the important role of attracting water vapor. This water vapor then is able to condense around these hygroscopic nuclei in order to form rain. As the city experiences higher levels of pollution, it implies that there are more hygroscopic particles available within the city, and therefore the opportunity for water vapor to condense into liquid water is increased. So because of the higher levels of pollution and the increased amount of hygroscopic particles, the city center is able to produce higher amounts of rainfall, higher cloud cover, and an increase in fog. High-rise buildings within the city center cause friction with the wind, and they act as windbreaks. However, once these winds are funneled between the buildings, they can create wind channels, and on occasion these winds can increase in speed slightly, but the wind is likely to be more turbulent as it moves between the buildings of the CBD. Urban areas experience higher levels of pollution, mainly as a result of industrial activity and motor vehicles. The smoke trapped within the city center tends to be more concentrated or thick. This leads to an increase in the enhanced greenhouse effect and results in the development of our heat islands.